4 cancels out 4, and 4 divided by 1 becomes 4, but this answer is completely wrong because we haven't paid attention to the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. According to the PEMDAS rule, we have multiplication and division here, and we move from left to right. 4 divided by 1/4 is solved using the KCF, keep, change, flip, rule. The KCF rule is used in fraction division, where the rule is as follows: we keep the first term the same, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and invert the second term. Provide the English translation of this text. Following the KCF rule, we retain 4, and the division sign transforms into multiplication. We then invert 1/4 to obtain 4. The product of 4 and 4 results in 16, and consequently, 16 multiplied by 4 yields 64. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.